Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, check the monitor's native refresh rate and set it in display settings so frames align with the panel. Next, swap to display port or a high-bandwidth HDMI cable because bandwidth limits cause partial frames. Then, enable VSync or adaptive sync in your GPU control panel. This forces frame timing to match the display and prevents visible tear. Once done, restart the app to apply changes and observe whether staggered edges disappear. This confirms synchronization worked. Now you move into the core configuration. Open the GPU control panel and set a frame cap just below your monitor's refresh rate. This avoids microstutters while preventing overshoot. Make sure the game runs in exclusive full-screen mode versus borderless windowed, because exclusive mode gives precise timing. If you keep VSync, enable triple buffering to smooth input without tearing. Do not enable triple buffering alone. Once adjusted, test with a high-contrast horizontal motion scene to reveal any remaining tear lines. Finish by updating your GPU drivers and monitor firmware, then reboot so all changes take effect. If your monitor and GPU support it, enable G-Sync or FreeSync in both the monitor OSD and GPU panel, because these eliminate tear by matching variable frame timing. Finally, verify overlays and capture software are disabled while testing. If tearing still appears, swap to a different cable to rule out a faulty lead. This simple check often exposes the culprit when settings alone don't fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.